Artificial intelligence will not take your job, but the guy using AI will. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to be that guy. Let me explain. Let us ask GPT-3, an advanced large language model, also known as LLM, to solve a very simple elementary math problem. What is 100 multiplied by 100 divided by 400 into 56? The answer should be 1400 using elementary BODMAS rule, right? Well, guess what? GPT-3 gave the wrong answer. Well, how is that possible, you might ask? But before diving into that, let's try and fix the problem first. Let's ask the same question in a different manner this time. You are a brilliant mathematician who can solve any problem in the world. Attempt to solve the following problem. What is 100 multiplied by 100 divided by 400 into 56? This time, GPT-3 manages to give me the correct answer to this question, which is 1400. So what made the AI give me the wrong answer in the first place, but rectify its errors in the second one? So that's exactly what I'm going to talk about in this video. Well, hello there, this is Yenter, and today let's talk about something known as prompt engineering. Well, a prompt is a piece of text, image, or even sound that you feed to an AI to get the desired output. And prompt engineering is all about how to get exactly what you want from an AI. Well, if you have used Midjourney or DALL-E, you would know how difficult it is to replicate the exact same image which you have inside your head onto your computer. It requires quite a bit of skill and ingenuity to get exactly what you want. The method of prompt engineering we use to solve this math problem is known as role prompting. We try to give the AI some context on the problem we are about to solve using the AI by assigning it a specific role so that it performs better on that specified domain. We can ask the AI to act as a Python console or a German to English translator or whatnot. Let's talk a little bit more about this with another problem. Which is a faster way to get to work? Option 1, take a 1000 minutes bus, then a half-hour train, and finally a 10-minute bike ride. Option 2, take an 800-minute bus, then an hour train, and finally a 30-minute bike ride. Well, if you think about this, option 1 will give me a 1040-minute ride, whereas option 2 will give me a 890-minute ride. So clearly the answer is option 2, but GPT-3 again gives me the wrong answer, which is option 1. So what do we do now? We can try assigning the AI the role of a mathematician again, like you are the best mathematician in the world and can calculate any math problem. Attempt to solve the following problem, and we give it the same question. But you can see it gives me the wrong answer, also with the wrong reasoning. Option 1 is the faster way to get to work. It would take 10 minutes, while option 2 would take 30 minutes. So role prompting is a big no. But with this mistake, we can very much see what problem the AI is facing. The AI is not able to understand the logic of this question. So what we can do is try and teach the AI the logic of this question. This time we will solve a similar question for the AI with its reasoning before we shoot it the original question we want to solve. And after doing that, finally GPT-3 is able to solve the question correctly while also giving its correct logic. This method right here is known as a few short chain of thought prompt. A few short because we are giving it a few examples to work with, and a chain of thought because we are also providing the reasoning or logic behind the question. There is another method that seems to work pretty well, which is known as the zero shot chain of thought, where we try and encourage the AI to build the reasoning for this question on its own by prompting a let's think step by step at the end of the question. This is used when gathering reasoning data or logical data for some questions is not possible. These are just a few examples to begin with, which shows that AI is not perfectly accurate. This means that it needs quite a bit of skill to run an AI effectively. And this also means there are opportunities to shine and stand out in this budding field. Yet again, do not try to beat the AI, you will lose. But try to understand and be friends with it, that will give you a huge boost. To put things in perspective, Anthropic is offering a lavish 250K to 335K dollars in salary to hire a prompt engineer. Also recently, Riley Goodside, an ex-data engineer, was hired as a prompt engineer at Scale.io. This was the first ever prompt engineer to be hired. So as you can see, the possibilities are endless. And AI is only going to get stronger and more integrated into society and industry. I'm also going to link a free resource to learn prompt engineering for free in the description, along with the other sources I just mentioned. And if you guys are interested in learning more about a few amazing AI tools, be sure to check this video out. And with that, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.